Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to show you the way I will flip. Let's see from $200 to $400 consistent with day passive earnings with Clickbank. So here we can see the desired earnings which are executed with this approach, and am going to display you exactly how I did this. So you may see occasionally it is a touch bit less than 200 greenbacks, however every so often it is over $400, so you can see one day I got here in $1081, so that is really possible. And I'm going to refresh the web page so you can see this is not some screenshot or something like that. I'm going to refresh it sometimes so it's far excellent, it's mild, sincerely smooth, and that I want to show you exactly a way to do it. But before we jump straight into this approach, I want to invite you to enroll in my YouTube channel due to the fact we release day by day content on this channel, the way to make money online, a way to make cash with Clickbank. So you do not want to overlook that out. Make certain to press that subscribe button. So let's jump straight into this. Matt, how you may try this. So first of all, if you do not have Clickbank account, plenty of humans are asking me how to create Clickbank account. It is actually clean. Does go on clickbank.com and click on create account. It's far that simple. Simply entered right here your personal data banking information. After you click subsequent step, and at the stop you'll be asked to pick your coupling or affiliate identification, so that you're going to pick on the cease your associate ID with I think 5 characters or something like that. So it is truly easy to create account. You are going to need about 3 minutes to create account. It is clearly easy. After that, what we want to do is we want to pick out a niche that we want to promote. So a way to pick an niche, we have been going to click on associate market region, and here you could see there are quite a few classes, and I'm going to display you guys how you can we some classes. However, for now we are going to check out as a fitness and health. So the way to see if this enterprise is simply accurate to sell, so right here you could see on this gravity variety. So this is some indicator that this product is promoting. So this is in reality essential for us, and whilst the gravity is approximately, let's assume 30, that means quite a few human beings have become income, quite a few associates I am getting income from that product. So we need to promote that product, and you could see this isn't something that you are going to see frequently, but this product has gravity approximately 270. That's clearly crazy, and that I generally promote merchandise with gravity, shall we say 50, 60. It does not truly remember about it. It is simply important to sell a product with gravity about 30 because we don't want to sell product which does not promote. So this a lot of merchandise have become huge gravity right here, and notice so, which means that this area of interest is simply exact to sell, and that I already recognize that due to the fact health is actually the biggest area of interest accessible with the most cash to be made. So I can start with fitness, but you can do it with something you want. So after we discovered our area of interest, we want to locate our content material. So how are we going to create our content? And you do not even need to create our content material. I'm going to display you how you may do that. So we want to first pick a name for our let's consider movies. So we are going to use Google and YouTube. So how we're going to choose our name for our video. So you can type weight reduction, and you could see this YouTube Seek is giving us all the statistics that we need. So weight become getting to know weight mission. So they are giving us a few maximum searched monsters, the name announcing. We can use that to create our personal title. So we'd write the way to lose weight, and right here you may see they are overlooking us. A way to shed pounds rapid, the way to lose weight in a week, how to lose weight fast for teenagers. So I would go along with identify a touch bit longer like this. So that is the way to shed pounds rapid for teens. You may see that this video she probable did precisely as we did this studies or our identify, and you can see she has 2 million perspectives in this video, and this Invoice approximately has 884,000 perspectives, so because of this, that is surely precise name, and we need to store this name and use it later for our video. You can do that precisely the identical component on Google, so a way to shed pounds. Rapid, so it is almost the same, but right here you could find every so often a little bit too the higher identified than on YouTube, but I usually simply use you to investigate the titles. Next element we need to do is we need to discover a video, and the maximum crucial part is you can use someone else's video, and I am going to reveal you guys exactly how to try this. So what we can do is we are able to kind in Google and YouTube search weight loss. After that we need to head on filters, and here you could see in features you can see creative comments. So whilst you click on this, YouTube is going to offer you some videos that you may use on your own channel. So what does this suggest? If you use this video, you are no longer going to get copyright strike on your channel. This is actually critical for this technique because we don't want to report any video. I usually record my own movies. I do not use someone else. However, for this technique we are not going to apply any video because I see numerous you men are asking how you could do it without recording video, without proving your face. So that is genuinely the high quality manner to do it. So now shall we say we're going to use this video proper right here, just an instance, and now we've got title for our video and we've got YouTube films. So what are we going to do is we are going to add this video on our channel with the name How to Lose Weight Fast as Teenager Angel. So what we want to do next is we can use MailChimp so that you can create some lead. See, so I am going to expose you men simply an instance of the lead capture. So you may already seen this. Subscribe for the trendy updates, something like that, and you may input your sorry cue and enter your name and electronic mail deal with, and whilst you click on subscribe you are going to get your customer's email address and call. So we will send them emails within the destiny asking them to buy some other products or different associate products, and we are going to hold earning that commissions. So how is that this going to appear? Like simply to give you an example, to give an explanation for you the whole lot. So here we've got a YouTube video how to lose weight this teen, simply an instance, and we have already got the video because we didn't record it. We are able to use Creative Commons to get a video subsequent. To live the subsequent factor we need to do is we are going to click on Create a Lead. Sees I went proper. This is probably you cannot call it opt-in or something you need, it would not in reality rely. So we're going to collect leaves right here. So we're going to get electronic mail, which is actually crucial because this is the maximum valuable factor you right here, because we're going to send them mails within the destiny asking them to buy our product. And next thing, while your client clicks on subscribe, now you are going to redirect them to your associate link from Clickbank. So shall we embrace? We are going to apply this product proper here to promote, and we are going to redirect them to affiliate link. So shall we say they purchase this product that you are going to get 26 greenbacks and 26 greenbacks and 12 cents. So allows, say we are going to say $26, so that you are going to get a sale and you will get potential customer for lifetime. So what we can do after we get this purchaser from that email, we're going to get, shall we say, promote some, say this organ if he pertain pound or something like that. I do not even recognize what is this. However, in case you promote this product, on average you will earn 112, the only $111, which is truly crazy, simply from one sale. So you can then ship a mail and ask your consumer to shop for this next product, which is going to get you 100, and that I approach us to say $20, and you could do this on and on. So you could ship them again electronic mail with affiliate a hyperlink, and you may do that on and on, but you don't want to unsolicited mail your customers. You need to supply them now and again something for free in order that they preserve establishing your emails, and they hold the contact with you so that you can send them for all time a few products to buy without your associate feeling. So you can earn countless commissions right here. So this is how I could do I sense it marketing as a novice, and it's miles without a doubt clean, and you can begin without spending a dime. So you do not want to make investments any cash to try the subsequent aspect. We able to can just take a look at what the following niche shall we embrace this woodworking planet, so that you can see in case you sell this product, you are going to get $61, but you may do that same tactic. You are going to do same tactic ends for any area of interest available, and in case you're promoting weight reduction merchandise, do not ship them something exclusive from any distinct area of interest out there. Simply ship them something associated with weight loss. If you are in woodworking, make sure to send them just woodworking associate merchandise. So let's see woodworking. You could see woodworking initiatives for novices I might pick out. Shall we embrace that? Identify, and you may see 13 woodworking assignment you may make as a Christmas present. So right here you could see you can get a few ideas the way to be counted to and to your title. However, I'd create something, let's assume woodworking tasks for novices, due to the fact this display dirt first, so human beings are searching most human beings this keyword right here. So I can mean my video like this: woodworking tasks for beginners 30 2019. That might be something that I could create. And when you want to once more search for motion pictures to add, just go once more on filters and innovative commons, and that is likely how to do that technique at no cost with none investment. So guys, in case you want ensure to